The Geraldine R. Poetry Festival, the largest poetry event in North America, returned to Newark, New Jersey this year. Featured poets include Poet Laureate of the United States, Natasha Trethewey, Philip Levine, Amiri Baraka, Patricia Smith, and Pulitzer Prize winner C.K. Williams.
It's amazing. When you have a big festival like this, you create a community. Certain people fall in love with poetry, and it becomes an essential part of their life. You can't predict who it will be. I wouldn't have predicted it about myself.
Turner's awake now. He smiles, stands. Windy yawns and stands too. They come to see what I'm doing. Turner leans his head on my shoulder to peek. What am I doing? Thinking of Kierkegaard, thinking of beauty, thinking of prayer. Thank you.
Poet Patricia Smith collaborated with musicians from the New Jersey Symphony Orchestra to create a special performance that combined Wynton Marsalis's At the Octoroon Balls, a history of New Orleans told through music, with her book, Blood Dazzler, poetry about Hurricane Katrina.
A hellish glare beneath the moon wash, the slapping storm that wakes me, the washing clean.
This is a poem called Siblings. It's from the book Blood Dazzler. And in Blood Dazzler, Hurricane Katrina is personified, so I began to wonder who her family would be, and that's where this poem came from. Also, where the title of the book came from. Arlene learned to dance backwards in heels that were too high. Brett prayed for a shaggy mustache made of mud and hair.
Cindy just couldn't keep her windy legs together. Dennis never learned to swim. Emily whispered her gust into 1,000 skins. Franklin, farsighted and anxious, bumbled villages. Gert spat her matronly name against the city's flat face. Harvey hurled a wailing child high. Irene, the baby girl, threw wild tantrums. Jose liked the whip sound of slapping, and Lee just craved the whip. Maria's thunderskirts flew high when she danced. Nate was mannered and practical. He stormed precisely. Ophelia nibbled weirdly on the tips of depressions. Felipe slept too late, flailing on a wronged ocean. Rita was a vicious flirt. She woke Felipe with rumors. Stan was born business, a gobbler of steel. Tammy crooned country, getting the words all wrong. Vince died before anyone could remember his name. Wilma opened her maw wide, flashing rot. None of them talked about Katrina. She was their odd sister, the Blood Dazzler. Thank you.
Thank you, John.